What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see on your screen, this is my Quora profile and these are my content views for my Quora profile. I'm gonna show you quickly. Alright, for some reason over there it is showing as 3,38,000 and over here it is showing as 2,80.9 whatever. So this is the content views that I have on my Quora account, and today's video is how do you go ahead and start affiliate marketing on Quora. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how can you go ahead and start doing affiliate marketing on Quora. I have came across a lot of videos where people talk ridiculous things like you can go ahead and start sharing your affiliate links on Quora right away. No, please do not do that. If you will do that, your account is going to get blocked. The person who is telling you these things, the person doesn't know what Quora is, how Quora performs, and they are simply lying to you if they actually know how Quora performs. That doesn't mean that you cannot go ahead and do affiliate marketing Quora. Of course you can do affiliate marketing Quora on Quora and drive an enormous amount of traffic on those particular links, but there is actually a way for that. अगर गलत तरीके से करेगा तो तुम लोग का अकाउंट बैन हो जाएगा. What I meant is, if you would do this, like if you would start sharing your affiliate links right away, your account is gonna get blocked, and for the very wrong reasons. Trust me, Quora is not gonna recover your account. If you have a lot of content views, or probably if you've developed content views on that, it is going to be really difficult to get those content views back. And in short, Quora is not going to recover your account. That's one. Second thing what's gonna happen is, basically, if you are just starting out with Quora, please do not share any links. Do not share, forget affiliate links, do not share a simple link on Quora if you're just new on Quora. Now you would ask me what am I talking about and what is the baseline for this. The baseline for this is Quora functions not similar but somewhat similar in terms of the new account functionalities like Reddit. The way you go ahead and sign up for Reddit and you start sharing a lot of content on Reddit, Reddit is going to block you. I mean, you have to wait for 30 days to get your account associated on Reddit. That is the first rule. The similar applies for Quora. Once you create your account on Quora, give it some time. Please have patience. I am not saying do not answer the questions. Go ahead and answer as many questions as you want, but do not share any links. Quora is going to block your account if your account is new. You don't have any base. You don't have any content authority on Quora. Quora is going to simply block your account. Now coming to the point, how do you do, like, then you will, naturally the next question is going to be like, how then, what am I supposed to do in terms of, sharing the links? So there is actually a way, and it's a very simple way of doing it. I'm going to show that right away. Let's get started. So here we are back on my Quora account. The first thing I'm going to show you is the answer that I've written and the stats for that. And you cannot go ahead and add a direct link, but you can go ahead and drive that particular traffic who's coming on your answer to your affiliate links, and that's the same thing that I'm doing over here. I'm going to share, I'm going to show you the answers. Like, this is the last 30 days answers. I have 25,000 content views on all my answers in the last 30 days, and I'm just going to pick a random answer. For example, how does TubeBuddy work? TubeBuddy is one of the tools that we use for our YouTube growth. The YouTubers would be knowing that. In case if you don't know, you can check out this particular answer. Another thing, you need to write long answers if you are new to Quora. The more longer answers you write, the more Quora is going to promote your answer to other people or show your answer to other people. So this is like a long answer, and it includes one of my videos. It includes the stats for my YouTube channel, and there is another thing over there. Now coming over here, you can see this, you can see down here, it's 1.2k views that I've got on this particular answer. And I have also, after writing this long answer, I have slightly slipped this tools over here, which is called as 26 free marketing tools, and that's a PDF. Now the moment I go ahead and click on this particular tool, it is going to take me to my Ko-fi page. Okay, so this is my Ko-fi page where I have actually hosted, you can say, this particular PDF. The moment people come on this particular
on my Ko-fi page, they can go ahead and directly get this particular PDF by clicking on this. You can just type 0 because I have set up the price for the coffee product as 0, and I can just click on get now. I don't know whether I will be able to get it for myself or not. Okay, it is happening. So the moment I click on the checkout option here, I think it's going to mail me the PDF, subtotal paid, whatever, and then it's going to allow me to view the content, and it's going to allow me to download it. The moment I go ahead and download that particular thing, you can see that now this is something, it's an extensive PDF which also covers all the tools, and these are my links, my channel links. Alright, and there are products which I've mentioned in this particular PDF. These particular products are links to my affiliate programs. Alright, what that means is the moment someone clicks, for example, lead generation capturing, there are tools that I have mentioned. There are 4 tools that I can see. There is Unbounce, there is Just Uno, there is Landingy, and there is Waitwhile. And all of these products are my affiliate programs. So the moment people click on this particular links, which I have linked over here, by the way, I've created this particular PDF with Canva, and I already have a tutorial about it on my channel. You can go ahead and check it out. I'm gonna link that in the video description, or you can check it out always in the playlist. Anyway, coming back to the topic, so we have website design development, we have chatbot ke liye we have one product. So the moment people click on all these links, basically I'm driving that affiliate traffic to my affiliate programs. All right, and the best part about Quora is that you cannot add direct affiliate links, but you can always drive people from your answer to the product, to the blog. If you don't have a website, this is the answer that you are looking out for. If you definitely have a particular website, you can always go ahead and add your website link. For example, I don't know if I will be able to show you. I don't have any products on my website that I have actually marked as affiliate, so I don't think I should be able to show you that. However, yeah, this is the way basically you do it. I mean, these are the only thing that you need to do is basically you need to add a disclosure. Of course, if you have an audience which is from US or other international countries, I am from India. If you have audience from the international countries, there is something called as FTC disclosure, which you need to go ahead and mention in all of your affiliate products. Wherever you are sharing your affiliate links, you need to add that disclosure, a simple disclosure saying that if a particular user clicks on that particular link and makes a purchase, the particular brand or that particular whatever domain is going to make or give you some commission based on that at no extra cost. It's as simple as that. And disclosure is going to always help you out in terms of getting into any kind of legal formalities. So another answer I want to show you, for example, we checked on that. Let's see. Yeah, how do I get a Pinterest account? Okay, so again, this particular answer has all of my video links, and I have added, I don't know whether that thumbnail is going to be visible. Alright, so for some reason Quora has removed this thumbnail, so I'm not going to go for this one. One second. Let's go for how can I get Instagram account information. Alright, so again, I've written an answer which is not quite extensive but in detail, and basically your answer needs to be something that the other user would be able to understand. अगर समझा पाएगा तो समझाने का. If you're not able to explain the user, I mean, if you're able to explain the user in one single paragraph, and if that answer requires that kind of a content, well and good. If your answer requires an extensive answer, you need to type an extensive answer in order to make the user understand. The basic point is the person should be able to understand for what query they came out for, and the answer should be helpful. Otherwise, it's going to be all toss, and people are not going to upvote your answer. They're not going to do anything, and it's not going to help out. So again, I have written this answer. How can I get Instagram account data information? So I've written an extensive answer, not exactly extensive, but it's quite enough for the user to understand what exactly it means. And again, I have inserted the same link. Now the last thing that I'm going to show you is my Ko-fi page. Alright, so this is my Ko-fi page and I'm going to go to my shop. So I have some different products that I've listed. Depending on the prices and things, you can go ahead. There are stock images that I have listed over here. There are stock images for some green theme. And this is the PDF that I created the very first time when I started my YouTube channel. 5 tools to grow your presence online and so on and so forth. So basically this tutorial was for someone who doesn't have a website and who still wants to go ahead and do affiliate marketing on Quora. If you have a website, that's well and good. You can always go ahead and drive that particular traffic to your website. Apart from that, you can create these kind of, basically to sum up, you need something, you need a hosting server where you can host your file, a PDF file, because PDF is something that you can go ahead and insert the links, your affiliate links into. You can always use Ko-fi or Buy Me a Coffee. I'm gonna show you that as well. I have that page as well. Alright, so this is my Buy Me a Coffee page, and in case if you're looking, it's basically kind of similar. Ko-fi and Buy Me a Coffee are very much similar to each other. Of course, it has certain ups and downs for, in terms of receiving the payments and the taxes and so on and so forth. However, in terms of functionalities and in terms of the UI UX, it's gonna be much more of a similar factor. If you want to go ahead and start doing your affiliate marketing, I have an extensive tutorial about how can you go ahead and create your Buy Me a Coffee page, which again I'm going to link it over here. And I think that's pretty much about it, guys. I mean, this was my tutorial about how can you go ahead and do affiliate marketing on Quora. If you like this particular video, please go ahead and hit the like button, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. As always, my social media links are mentioned in the description below. That's about it from my end. I'll be back with another hack for you guys. Till then, keep watching my channel and keep geeking, people.